Alright, today I'll show you how to set up N8N using Docker, then create an MCP. So how do we start from the beginning? We start by getting Docker, okay? First we'll go to Docker's website and we'll download Docker, alright? As you can see, there's versions for Mac with Apple Silicon, Intel Mac, Windows for AMD 64, which also works for Intel, and ARM for other processors. Linux versions are available too. Choose the version that fits your system. Okay, let's stop this, alright? Now you'll see N8N closing, okay? It's not working because I've closed the source. So what do we do next? We'll simply open Docker. Note, some of you might have issues just opening it. To use Docker, we need to have virtualization enabled. To enable virtualization, we need to open the BIOS, go to Advanced Settings, then CPU Settings, and there we'll find it, okay? This, well, obviously depends on each device, but here's what I've been told more or less by this gentleman. He says, for Intel, it's in BIOS, okay? Under Advanced CPU Configuration, Advanced Processor Configuration, Security, Virtualization, System Configuration. For AMD, it's in Advanced. Well, almost all of them are in Advanced Settings, right? As I said, it depends on your specific device, okay? Alright, once we have that set up, we open Docker, now we're good to go. As you can see, it's running and will continue to run in the background. Another thing it'll ask for is WSL, okay? WSL update, which is this thing here. We open PowerShell, then we run as administrator, and here we'll type WSL update. If you don't have it, we'll type this command WSL, shut down status update, or if not, update web. And this one here, okay, WSL is basically Windows for Linux, allowing you to run Linux inside Windows. Now, once we have all this, we go to Ask Gordon, click S search, and look for N8N. The first result, n8n.io, we're going to download, okay? As you can see, I have the latest version here. Once we have it, we go to Containers, then N8N. Here are the three buttons. Sorry, when we click start, we hit run. As you can see, it already has its configuration and all, but we can configure it too, okay? Let's see if it lets me view it. Basically, for the settings in images, we click on, for this play button, we go here and set the container name to whatever we want, and the host underscore port as well. I've used 5678 as a reference point. The host underscore path is also whatever we choose. I've created a folder in documents called N8N Docker. Then we set container underscore path to /home/node/.n8n and add the variable N8N/community packages/allow/to-tool/usage, okay? I'll show it here so you can see better, alright? It's this right here, N8N community packages. We just set it to true, okay? And then we can start using N8N in the cloud.